So we're here at the gas station. Daniel's inside right there. He was just taking a piss. And I think it's a good idea to put this cone on his bike. Looks pretty good. Let's see his reaction. Act like nothing happened. You're just gonna take it down the highway like that?
I didn't even notice this, like I right up on the ground. I was like,
it's about the size of the GROM. So we're leaving the gas station right now. We got Kevin, who's a brand new rider. He's got about 400 miles under his belt on the GROM. And we're about to go do some off-roading. But first off, we gotta cross the bridge. This is his first time on the highway, and we're gonna go over one of the biggest bridges in Jacksonville. Stick around, it's gonna be a crazy trip. This is a really long bridge too. I think it's about 2 miles. So this sucks. They're drafting me. I don't know why, because I don't have the fastest GROM, but we're doing it. Last time I went over this bridge, the altitude from me going up so high made the GROM go like 50. We'll see what happens today. Pretty much on flat ground, and we're not pulling hard at all. Once we start going downhill though, that's a whole nother story. I'm not trying to hit rev limiter. He's over here freaking swinging the rev limiter. That's fresh. What? That was like that was like a 2 to 3 inch bump in the middle of the highway. Alright, so we're heading to the zoo. Like the sign says, we're gonna go see some no, I'm just kidding, we're not gonna go see some elephants. We're gonna go off-roading. We might see some elephants if they escape. That'd be kinda cool. What? Hey, what'd you think of the highway? Crazy? Ketchup! No, that's a bunch of hot sauce. Are you gonna do a hot sauce burnout?
Really, nigga?
Gotcha, bitch!
Oh, hot, hot, hot!
It's green, it's green! Why was there a bunch of random hot sauce on the ground? He just made it rain on me like a cheap stripper. Arms in. American flag assault's up. Fooligan sticker prepped. NOS button initiated. Draft sequence lawn chair is a go. That actually worked. I just got so far ahead of him. What the heck? Guess I need to start doing stuff like that more often. Oh, it smells like straight butthole over here. It smells like Universal Studios. Kevin's never even rode off-road, I don't think. We made it! That was soft sand, it still is. I don't know why I said we made it. We definitely did not make it. No, no. Where'd Daniel go? What's he doing? He's got the knobby, man. He's supposed to be doing good. This looks sketchy. I'll let you guys lead the way. What? Hop on it and ride. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Woo! Well, this was a bust. Well, this was a bust.